What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over Cardano, guys. Currently we're sitting at $2.10. We're down about 11% on the day. We're sitting in a market cap of 66.31 billion. 24-hour volume is 4.12 billion. Guys, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. Receive $25 in crypto, my favorite app for investing. You can grab one of their incredible Visa cards for free Spotify, Netflix, and travel incentives. So we're here on the 4-hour time frame. So we have been going over this head and shoulders pattern, and we completely melted right through that level of support at 225, and we come all the way down here to about $2.05. Now I would expect to see a little bit of a bounce from this level. You can see we are extremely oversold. So we should see a little bit of a bounce here that could bring us back up to 225, the level of resistance, and the EMAs will come down in the 4-hour. And if we hit them as resistance and we can't get back above them, that's when we can see continuation down to our price target at $1.89. So we're going to pop into ADA on the daily. So you can see here on the daily, we have lost a 55 EMA, and our bearish divergence here is fully playing out. So I would expect us to find some support here at about $1.89. It also lines up with the weekly 20. If we come over to the weekly time frame, you can see it lines up with the 20 EMA. So it could give us a good opportunity to bounce. Now, if Bitcoin were to go through our ABC correction and we came all the way back down to about 37.8K, it is a possibility, guys. Then we could see ADA come down to about 148, which would line up with the 55 EMA. We can see here, if I pop it back open to the daily time frame, that $1.48 was a major level of resistance. Right here, resistance, previous swing high, resistance here as well. So that could act as a major level of support if we do break $1.89. Now, if we do come down to $1.89, we bounce, we break 225. Then your next levels of resistance are 239. And about 255, but we have been anticipating an ABC correction here with Bitcoin. So if that fully plays out, we'll definitely see ADA come down to 189 and quite possibly down to 148. But to invalidate that, we just have to come up and break these levels of resistance, get back above the EMAs on the daily, and then we could see continuation. All right, that's it for ADA, guys. Shout out to the Discord. We have over 1,000 members posting chart patterns, posting analytics, posting different trading strategies, and you can sign up through the Patreon. And if you'd like to trade ADA, make sure to sign up to Bybit, my favorite platform for leverage trading. $600 in bonuses for signing up through my referral. They also have spot trading available. All right, guys, check out the Discord, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.